Is that recording? That's recording. Alright guys, so this is going to be a really quick video, just to go through what I'm going to do with the file name scheme. You don't have to worry about this, this is just for information and record knowledge. So, first things first, I've created a little test dummy folder. These are the files that I want to rename to something else. Let's say poll 111 and poll 112, all throughout that. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the programs that I'm going to use. So I'm going to be using Excel. I'm going to be using a program called PowerShell. That's a scripting program. So pop that to the side for 1 second. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go into Excel and I want to go to my get and transform data, and I want to go to from file, go to from folder. So I'm going to take this information, put it into an Excel database, basically information about the folders and the folder paths. So if I go to my computer, Windows SSD, I'm doing this on my personal laptop by the way. So test folder. So okay, and this gives me all the information that I want. So I'm very quickly going to transform this data, get rid of bits that I don't need, bits that I do want to keep. So I don't need any of that, I don't need any, I do need bits of that. So the only information that I'm concerned with here is this, this, and this. So get rid of this, 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 and this, and we'll remove those columns and load. So this is going to load it as a table. Its rows loaded. Eventually, once it does decide to load. Taking a very long time today. There we go. So as you can see here, it's pulled through the same information that's there. That's the folder path that it's going down. So we can see that if we go into there, and those are the file names: text1, text2, text3, text4, text5. It's also pulled through the extension. So I'm going to create a new column here. I'm just going to call it new name. And I'm going to choose a name. I don't need to worry about this, but I do want to concern myself with this. So let's say, just as a demo, I want to call these poll 1211 through to 112, something simple like that. So that is the premise that I've got. I also want to fiddle about a bit more. I want to create a full path from the original, and I'm going to just do something really simple here. I'm just going to take the folder path there, and we're going to combine it with the data over there. Click enter, so that gives us the full path of it. And I'm also going to do the same over here as well. So I'm going to call this full path new, and I'm going to enter from there because I want it to go to the same place as well. So enter plus that, and just as a little extra, I'm going to put the extension back on because the extension isn't back on there. And there we go, we've got a full new path. So let's save this now. I'm going to save it in the same location actually. Test folder, and I'll call this name dot. And I also specifically want to save it as a CSV file, so I'll call it name.csv. It does not support, that's fine. We want it not to support that. So as you can see here, these are all formulas at the moment, but if I close this down and then open up our new saved file there, it's now becoming text, which is good because we want it as text, we don't want it as formula. So that is stage 1 of our little test bed. I'll just stop recording for now. Right, and I'll start up again. So, what do we want to do now? We want to look into this little doodaddy here. So this is a little script, 5 row. It's really very basic. I'm just going to show edit here. I don't expect you to know anything about this. So there are a few parameter meters we need to change here. Actually there isn't, because I've already juked it right. So essentially what this is doing, this is looking into for a specific folder to go into and change all the names for. The CSV bit is looking for a specific CSV file, and then it's going in and it's changing things around based on the column titles at the top. So let me just double check. What did I say was the name that I wanted? So full path new. Okay. So we are going to tell it to so it's going to look into that specific folder. It's going to import the CSV file from here. Then for each of the rows, it's going to rename based on the path given there, which is going to be the path here. So rename text 1, text 2, text 3, text 4, and it's going to give it a new name, which is going to be the new path. It's going to be not that column, it's going to be the other column, new path full, or full path new. And then if I click save, I close this down, yes, save changes, and back to, no, don't save changes then. And then I go click save, and looking over here and clicking run script, boop, everything's changed around. So that is basically it. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Look forward to your new subscription. Alright, see you guys.